Hey, I'm here today to show you how I made this little script panel, undocumented panel. I made this little script panel to help me automate making my background. So what I did is I used my tool, Utility Buddy, or not Utility Buddy, Script Buddy that I've written, and you can go to my website and download the script. And it helps you get the attributes of what you need from um, your project. So, say I want this video right here to be blurry, right? So it'll enlarge the video and make it blurry. So I just do change this, and I might change the name of the button to back blur, which is what I did for this one. And then I just said add the script info. And now I only really wanted the audio off. I don't care if it's enabled. I feel like a lot of these things are really unnecessary. Um, this determines whether or not there's a video. If not, it'll make a solid. So it doesn't really matter. Those can be there just for fun. I'm going to keep the audio off because I want to make sure it turns the audio off. I don't care about the transformations are actually a good thing to have in here. Fast box blur. Oh, it doesn't need a second one. I think I hit the button twice earlier. And this is everything you need to make a button that makes a back blur. So I copied this and I pasted it into, or actually I just did the test button, got it in there, and there you go. Now, by default, mine are stacked vertically. You can change that in another thing or ask ChatGPT. I did ask ChatGPT for one little bit of help just because I'm a little lazy. I don't have this built into my script yet for making getting the comp information. So I just asked it for that, and I changed its variable for window to my window, which is what I'm using in my Script Buddy script. All right, so we go back to that, and then I also wanted one for creating the shadows that I do for the text, and make sure the font is right whenever I'm typing it down, because I don't want to have inconsistencies. So I did the same thing, added the script info. I did not care about any of these attributes because we don't want to set the visibility or lock them or anything like that after the done. We also don't need it to say the health that it's going to be the exact same text each time, so we can delete that out. So that leaves us with if there's not one, it'll make one and it'll put this font in there. And we don't care about the paragraph settings because those are just something extra. We don't care about them text animations or more because my text is just literally sitting still. And then the transform properties, don't want those as well. So we're just deleting out things as we don't need them. We do want the drop shadow and we do want the stroke. And then that's it. And so this is the other part that I copied and pasted through into a project. And I just kind of put all that inside of a script. And I'm using Visual Studio Code to assemble all of them. But by doing that, I was able to create a little cool tool that'll help me automate this process by, say this didn't have the layer styles on it, I just typed out health. Now it's not as pretty. I'm like, let's do that shadow text. Or even let's just start it all over so you can see how helpful this script is. We'll delete this, unimportant. We drop it in. We say set the comp size. I just drag my video a little in the center. Then I control C paste just to copy and paste it. Hit my back blur, turned off the audio for it, and it made it larger. And then I want my text where I say discount health. Right, so we got that one. And we're just going to hold shift so it stays nice. Hit that shadow text button. Maybe I throw in another text, say health, because that's what today's short's going to be about, and we're done. That's literally it. I have automated my process for, oh, wait, did I hit the shadow text button? No, I didn't. We can check the utility buddy to see whether or not it was in there, but we should be good to go. We got our fast box blur on here. The audio's been turned off. It's just perfect. This helps me automate my process a lot quicker. And I feel that Script Buddy is a great tool for helping doing this. I will update it because I did notice my test button didn't work from the one I last uploaded. So Just keep an eye on that. I should have that button fixed for you next time you try it. Anyway, uh, best of luck, and please consider subscribing to this channel, the other channel, or my Instagram. Thank you very much. Bye.